Jim everyone, this video totally focuses on how you can build on Stellar, starting from scratch by setting up your first wallet and then building through Stellar IDE. So for the first part, we have to set up our Fighter wallet. So for that, open any browser you have and open a tab over there and search Fighter wallet. Click on the first link, or you can just click on this Chrome Web Store as well. Click on Add to Brave, add extension. It takes a bit of time to install. Now once it's been installed, you have to click on create new wallet, write down a password, confirm it, do this later for now, and here we have all things set up. So what you have to do is click over here in this puzzle option, pin your Fighter wallet over here, click your Fighter wallet. Important thing, click on this global icon and switch it to testnet. Once you do this, click on fund with friend bot, click over here, let it load a bit. Okay, now you have 10,000 XLM tokens test on testnet and you're all set for the next part. So how to use the Stellar IDE perfectly is like open the Stellar IDE at your browser that you're having. It can be Safari, it can be Brave, and you can write over here the prompt like create me a voting tab. But I'll say instead of writing over here, click on try beta, click on continue. See over here, click on new project, name it for example voting tab, create a project. Takes a bit of time to load. Okay, now this is the guide that helps you to find everything you needed. This is the code editor, this is a terminal, this is where you build and deploy the contract, and this is the AI terminal. Then you're all set. Over here, now once it's done entirely, it'll ask you that deploy the smart contract and paste it the address. Then it starts to build the entire front end. So once you see this type of text, all you have to do is click on the second option of the sidebar, click on build contract. So it builds the contract. It takes a bit of time depending on your internet flow and the traffic on the network. By the time it's building, do connect your wallets. It might show that your wallet is like showing connecting and it's not able to connect. And the issue to fix that is just make sure that over here wallet, click on this globe and make sure you're on the testnet and you have the XLM. Okay, so it takes a bit of time depending on your internet speed and the traffic over the network. And once it's done, you have to deploy to testnet. But before that, make sure you are connected over here, so your wallet is connected. Then just click on deploy to testnet and sign a transaction. first you have to sign a transaction to upload the WASM file, and the second transaction is to instantiate the contract. Once signing, it will take a bit of time, like few seconds, to deploy a smart contract that you just created, a voting tab for me. You click over here in this Explorer button. Make sure you open this in a side tab so that you don't lost it. Now click on this copy button and paste it here in the AI placeholder and just press enter. Now the AI will generate the front end and make it integrated to your smart contract. Now it has completely built the entire front end. It takes a bit of time just to make sure that there is no error, there's no type errors, there's no import errors. Once it's done, you'll be getting a message like this that everything is done and sorted. All you have to do is again go to the folder from here, check on the readme. If the readme is blank, just write him in the root readme. Now give this to the AI. Now the AI gonna read this readme.md and change this file. Now as you see, it has written me the entire thing I needed to have, right? It's all good. Now the next step what you have to do is just basically click on this button. And now you can create a new repository. For me, as it was a voting tab, I'll just write voting tab test demo and then just click on push to GitHub. And now you can just click on view repository just to check whether the code has been pushed perfectly or not. And you open your code base, it's super clean, everything has been pitch perfect. And yeah, and that's how easy it is to build on Stellar. And this is how you can utilize the Stellar IDE entirely.